This is page number 15 and this is page number 16. He cooks a fish and puts it in a dish. This is a fish shop. Its colors are pink, brown and yellow. These are 3 green trees. This is green grass. This is a truck. Its colors are white, blue, red and yellow. This is a big fish. Its color is orange. This is mud. The truck is stuck into the mud. This is a cook. The cook is wearing uniform. His uniform color is white. The cook is standing on the grass. His uniform is dirty due to mud. This is a dish. He cooks a fish and puts it in a dish. Yum, yum, yum. This is fire. Its colors are red and yellow. This is another fish. The cook is cooking another fish.